Everybody knows that onion is a vegetable and used to add flavor to your foods. Although it is used in multiple dishes and salads besides cooking, it is helpful in many ways. Onions are beneficial in hair care and other purposes due to their healing effects. Let us discuss the results of onion that you did not know earlier. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. Onions have strong anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant compounds. It reduces triglycerides and lowers blood cholesterol levels. The anti-inflammatory effects of onions are beneficial in lowering high blood pressure and prevents blood clotting. Number 2. Prevention of cancer. Onion is rich in vitamin C, and being an antioxidant, it prevents the formation of free radicals that causes cancer. The studies reveal that people who consume allium vegetables are less likely to suffer from cancer. Onions have a positive effect against cancer, especially gastrointestinal tract and stomach cancer. Number 3. Beneficial for respiratory system. Onions have a positive effect against asthma by strengthening capillary walls and other allergic conditions. Allergies disturb our respiratory tract, and onions play a significant role in preventing allergies. It helps in treating colds and coughs. Number 4. Enhances vision. Onion contains vitamin E, which is a crucial element in improving your eyesight. It averts deterioration of vision and boosts overall eye health. Due to the presence of vitamin E in onions, it has medicinal properties and is added to various eye drops to cure infections. Number 5. Improves bone health. Onions are beneficial for your bone strength as it contains calcium. Adding it to your daily meals or salads, you can enjoy improved bone health and strength. Number 6. Skincare. Onion is high in vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C. All these vital nutrients keep skin healthy and prevents illness. Due to the high percentage of vitamin C in onions, these are helpful in building and maintaining collagen. Collagen is the building structure of hair and skin. It is used as a bleaching agent as it contains lightening properties. It cleanses pores, removes dead skin cells, and clarifies skin naturally. Number 7. Reduces acne. The antioxidant properties of onion reduce inflammation that aggravates acne. People who have acne-prone skin can take advantage of eating raw or slightly cooked onions to prevent skin breakouts. Number 8. Hair care. Skin and hair specialists strongly recommend applying onion juice to your skin and hair to treat different problems. You must have heard the terms such as amino acids, protein, and keratin while talking about hair care. These are closely associated with your hair care treatment. Onions are high in sulfur, which is an essential element in providing thick and strong hair. It prevents hair loss or hair fall and improves hair growth. Number 9. Improves blood circulation. The blood circulation increases as you apply onion juice to your scalp. Improving blood supply to hair follicles, it averts hair fall and boosts hair growth. Number 10. Prevents gray hair. It has an antioxidant compound, catalase, that is beneficial in reducing hydrogen peroxide at hair roots. Thus, it prevents hair from turning gray. Number 11. Treat alopecia. Alopecia is a condition of hair loss in patches. Researchers reveal that applying onion juice to the scalp helps in treating alopecia. Number 12. Treats dandruff. It has antifungal and antimicrobial properties that cause dandruff. Onion juice has a positive effect on curing dandruff. If you do not like its smell, then wash off your hair with mild shampoo hereafter. Number 13. Side effects of onions. However, onion may have some side effects also. It has a pungent effect as you peel its skin off. You should be careful before applying it directly to your skin if you are allergic to onions. It can cause itchiness or rashes to sensitive skin.
If you liked and enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates like this.